Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Telegram chat folder. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Telegram app, then you click on the gear button, which is the settings, then you scroll down a little, then you click on chat folders. Then from here I actually have one chat folder, which is Neymar, with the link connected to it. So if I want to delete this chat folder, I'm just going to click on edit. Then from here I will tap on this minus button, then the option for delete is going to slide in, then I'll click on delete, and yeah, I'm going to confirm it, which is delete. Then I'm going to select the numbers of the folder, the chat I want to remove, or if this particular one I want to leave. I want to delete 2 out of 3. So I'm just going to click on this, and this, then on this. And if I don't want to, I can deselect all. So once I'm done, then I click on remove folder and chat, and they are gone, and that's it. Find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.